More than likely, you saw my thumbnail. And maybe you also have seen the same stuff like this online before. I'm talking about crazy AI images that you may be wondering how it's made, right? What if I told you that this goofy picture actually made someone some real money? Yeah, that's what we're getting into today. Have you heard about Nano Banana lately? Are you still wondering what all the hoopla is about it? Well, this is Google's new AI tool that basically lets you create anything you can imagine with just a few words. People are going wild over it. But here's the thing. Everyone is doing the same old stuff. Profile pictures, coloring books, fake Pixar characters, and a bunch of other things. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make money using Nano Banana, but not in the way everyone else is doing it. These are creative, beginner-friendly, and profitable ideas that will make you stand out from the AI crowd. I hope you're ready for this. Let's get right into it. If you have never used Nano Banana before, don't worry. It's built into Google's Gemini app. You just type what you want to see. For example, a superhero frog on a motorcycle, a dreamy fairy garden at night, whatever. And it spits out a super high quality image. You can even edit it step by step. So you don't have to get it perfect on the first try. You can say something like, make it nighttime, or change the background to a galaxy, and it just keeps refining it for you. It's super intuitive, and honestly, it's kind of addictive. Like, those games that they play. Yeah, online. Let's start with something fun. Digital trading cards. Pick a niche. Animals, monsters, fantasy warriors, whatever. And use Nano Banana to generate a set of cool characters. Give them names. Give them superpowers. A little backstory. And then what you're going to do is you're going to package it as a downloadable product. You don't need to code anything. You're just making JPEGs or PDFs that collectors, gamers, yeah, that's what I was talking about. Gamers or even parents can buy for their kids. This works especially well on Etsy or Gumroad. And if you're clever with your themes, you should stand out. Here's another one. Customized AI pet portraits. People love turning their pets into something magical. A wizard cat, a knitted beagle, a dragon riding guinea pig. Nano Banana makes it effortless. All you need is a clear photo of the pet and a few prompts. You upload a photo, type in something like, make this dog wear armor and stand on a battlefield, and it nails it. Then you offer that as a service to others. You can do this on Fiverr or even through Instagram DMs. Easy. Now listen, I'm going to be real with you for a second. Using AI tools like Nano Banana is amazing, but it's still a tool. And if you're feeling like, sure, this is cool and everything, but I don't want to learn how to write prompts or edit or figure out where to sell the stuff after I've created it, there's actually an easier way, I should say. I created an ebook bundle called 40 Plus Epic Ways to Monetize YouTube without the AdSense program. And it's not just product ideas. It walks you through how to create them and gives you access to 30 websites where affiliates are literally waiting anxiously to promote them for you. You don't need to learn a bunch of new software. You don't even need AI. But here's the best part. If you do like Nano Banana, like if you want to try it, you can actually combine my bundle with Nano Banana and make it a monetization strategy. And that puts you on a whole different level from everybody else. While everyone else is doing what they saw in a viral YouTube short, you'd be one of the first actually building something unique that's yours, that you won't see anywhere else. And that's how you stand out. And that's how you win. And now you've got a whole new level of creative leverage that almost nobody else will be using. But if you don't want to deal with AI, or the learning curve, I should say, My digital bundle is the simplest way to start making money online fast. You get the product ideas, actually products that people are already searching for, the how-tos, and the traffic all in one place. And the whole thing, just $19.99. Anyway, the link is in the description, so you go grab it and you'll thank me later. And guess what? I'm always looking for ways you can monetize your channel without relying on Google AdSense. And honestly, so this is the perfect way to monetize with my bundle. It's new, it's fresh, it doesn't have a lot of competition yet. As well as Nano Banana too, it's the same thing. Hardly any competition. And it has a low barrier to entry, which means you should jump on either of them right now. Of course, Nano Banana goes with my digital bundle hand in hand so that you can start making money outside of the AdSense program by tomorrow. Now back to Nano Banana. Let's leave my digital travel bundle for now. Another powerful use is offering character or mascot design for small businesses. Think about a taco restaurant that wants a cute taco mascot, or a yoga studio that wants a peaceful panda character for their branding. These kinds of visuals normally cost a fortune to commission, but with Nano Banana, you can create high quality concepts in minutes, and local businesses are more than happy to pay for something original and fun and cool too. One more angle that's super underused right now, stylized dating profile upgrades. Seriously, you take a regular photograph and with a few tweaks, you can turn someone into a sci-fi movie poster hero, a retro romance cover character, or a minimalist pop art icon. It's fun, it's lighthearted, and there's real demand for this, especially with so many people wanting to stand out online. You could offer this as a gig or just make viral content showing before and after pictures to attract new customers. So where do you actually sell all these ideas, you might be asking? If it's a digital product, like a card set, printable art, or anything that people can download, I suggest that you go with Gumroad, Etsy, or PayHip. Why? They're simple to set up, and people are actively searching for unique downloads every single day. If you're offering services like portraits, dating profile edits, or mascots, then you would check out Fiverr, or even post in Facebook groups or Reddit communities, for that matter. But make sure that it fits the niche. Some of the best clients come from just showing up in the right place with the right offer. And if you picked up my ebook bundle, you already you're gonna have 30 affiliate platforms lined up, ready to sell the product for you. Literally hands off. Sell it for you. I'm not kidding. That's how you make passive income while you sleep. So yeah, Nano Banana is pretty fun and cool, but it's also very powerful. There is a learning curve, but it's not that bad. You can turn it into a hobby, a side hustle, or even a business if you combine it with the right strategy and the right products like my bundle. Just remember, tools are cool, but when you pair them with smart monetization methods, that's when the magic happens. Go explore, go experiment, and if you're ready to skip the learning curve and start fast, then grab my ebook bundle in the description. You'll be the first one to combine AI creativity with real-world monetization. And I promise, that puts you way ahead of the game. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. We'll make some money.